In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your website on Ionos in just about 5 minutes. Now, if you're just starting your journey into the digital world by creating your online presence, this tutorial will serve as your roadmap to getting your website live on the internet using the Ionos hosting platform. So let's dive right in and make your website accessible to everyone on the web. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Websites and Shops section. This is where the magic starts. Upon visiting the Ionos homepage, look for the menu option that says Websites and Shops. If it's your first visit or you're planning to start fresh, you can simply sign up or log into your account. The layout is quite user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating this section. Remember, it's crucial to start here because this section serves as the gateway to managing your website's hosting details. Now, here's a pro tip for those who haven't yet created a website. Ionos offers a streamlined solution for this as well. Simply look for the option in the menu labelled Website Builder. This tool is perfect for beginners and professionals alike, offering a straightforward way to design and create a website from scratch with no need for coding knowledge. Think of it as your digital canvas, where you can bring your website ideas to life with ease. Once your website is ready, or if you already had one prepared, the next step is to head over to the website editor. This can be easily found within your Ionos dashboard. The website editor is where you can make any necessary changes to your site, ensuring that every detail is just right before it goes live. The intuitive interface allows you to drag and drop elements, add new sections, or update content, making sure your website looks exactly how you envisioned it. The penultimate step in your website hosting journey on Ionos involves final tweakings and adjustments to your website. This step isn't about major overhauls, rather it's the time to fine-tune your site. Make sure all your links work, your images load correctly, and your content is error-free. It's these little details that often make the biggest difference in how professional your website appears to visitors. Take your time during this step, as rushing through it can lead to overlooked errors that could detract from your site's effectiveness. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and operates on your website, it's time to hit Republish. This button is essentially the big red button of your website hosting process. By clicking on it, you are making all your adjustments and updates go live on the internet. It's the moment of truth where your website will now be visible and accessible to anyone around the world. A piece of advice: don't hesitate to preview your changes before publishing. This gives you one last opportunity to catch any mishaps that could have sneaked past your scrutiny. Remember, the goal is to have a website that you are proud of and that serves your intended purpose efficiently. To wrap this up, hosting on Ionos is a process that's designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. From accessing websites and shops to making your site live by clicking Republish, every step is geared towards providing you with a seamless experience. Whether you're an experienced webmaster or taking your first steps in the online world, Ionos has made sure that the journey from website creation to hosting is as smooth as possible. Don't forget to take advantage of their website builder if you're starting from scratch, and remember to carefully review your website before making it live. And that's it. You're now ready to introduce your website to the world via Ionos hosting. We've covered every step from starting your project to making it accessible on the web. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're now feeling more confident about hosting your website with Ionos. If you found this guide useful, consider sharing it with someone who might benefit from it as well. Thank you for watching, and here's to your online success.